What is up folks, this is Shady Tech and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Realme Watch S. In front of me here in its black, elegant black glory. Let's see at the back, it says model RMA207, colored black. Well, country of origin China, website realme.com, even have the address here in China. It's pretty interesting, and of course, for now, Realme Link is only available for Android. Unfortunately, as you can see here, it works with Realme Link, which I already downloaded on my apps and gonna take a look at it later on. So there's a little bit of a specification here of the watch, 3.3 or 1.3 inch of the screen, outer brightness, heart rate monitor, the blood oxygen monitor, long battery life, supposed to be 14 days of a battery life, 16 sports mode, and IP68 water resistant. Alright, here's the box. The presentation is always from Realme, is always like yellowish kind of tone around the box here, and a little bit of a hanging on the well, shelf case or display case as you would like over here. Okay, so first time putting box, tight, pretty tight, which is quite good as it's really secure. Oh yeah, so we can present with the watch itself right away. Take this out. During the first smell of the rubber, the rubber smells just nice. And the quality is quite nice, flexible. Of course, this rubber is going to be flexible, but I feel that the rubber has quite a quality to it, despite the cheap price. All right, so let's just quickly see around here. I cannot help but notice that this watch has a lot of characteristic of it compared to on a Magic Watch 2 in particular. And even with this tachymeter around here, it's the same, and it's much lighter, I think, compared to Magic Watch 2. And of course, this is like a plastic, even though it looks a little bit like metal. I don't think it's metal though, it's a plastic, but of course it's a quite nice quality of a plastic around it. And here you have quite a number of the the pin here to the holes here. Oh, just came off. I just put it aside. Anyway, I'll put it aside first and let's see what else you got in the box. Okay, so this kind of just the things for holding the watch. Down below, you got the charging ports here with our Realme branding in the middle. Okay, so this is not detachable, it's like attach it to the wired cable here, and it's a USB, so yeah, this is pretty good. And you got a little bit of rubberized pad down below here, so it won't move around when on the surface of something when you're charging the phone. And that's pretty much it, nothing else on the box. Oh, there's one manual guide, of course, warranty cards, safety instructions as usual in English. That's a good thing. And double check once more, nothing much. Put it aside, presented with the watch itself. Alright, so yeah, there you go. And on the right side, you got two buttons here, which is significantly similar to Magic Watch 2 or Watch GT2, Huawei Watch GT2. And at the back, you got all the sensors, 4 sensors, and 2 pin for the charging port here. And alright, on the left side, nothing. And yeah, and this strip has the fast release pin, and for you to swipe out the for other straps. Just quickly show you like that for you to put it out, and once again you just have to pull this down and it. Alright, there you go. Alright, put this thing out for the first time. Realme. English, Chinese, Indian, there's a lot of language you can. Oh, did I just press something here? So At this point, you gotta download the apps called Realme Link. Alright, here's the phone of the Realme Link interface. Take transcender, you just have to press add plus sign here and go to watch Realme Watch S, and yep, just press this and it will connect straight away. From here you can see that agree the phone binding request, just press yes and binding success. That's pretty much it. Male, female, I think I'm 5'10", 5'11"-ish, I don't know, probably. Oh wait, yep, seems about right. And I'm about 72 steps, 8,000 steps. Alright, so I'm totally connected here. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna see the interface on the phone first. You can see it's connected, and go to the settings here first. Data synchronizing, that is synchronized now. Face, you'll be presented with the face gallery. Okay, you got a bunch of face interface here, as you can see. And also you can upload your own photos from change background, and you can change the background from here to to the phone. Okay, notification on or off, and then get up reminder. Also, what a new reminder. Okay, that's interesting. 24 hours. I think I'm gonna put this maybe off for now. And of course, and again, 24 hours I also have a high heart rate alert. You can see that 10 minutes when you have inactive, or low heart pressure level when you have been inactive. Okay, that's interesting. Music play background control, you can change it. Also, camera control, you can use the camera to control the shutter button here. Find my phone where it's locate your location, and weather, set goal, device upgrade. There's an upgrade right away, I see. 39.0, keep the device algorithm optimism. Okay, why not I just download it? Oh, this is really fast. Download. Alright, so the update has been success. Let's go back again and see what's more on the phone interface. So you got the device, the information. I think the whole thing is shut down after the update, so I just have to press it again. Alright, so it's updating. Right, back again. On the main menu, on the main face watch face, on the watch, on the missing. Alright, so over here you can see that it also have other data such as sleep, monitoring your sleep activities, heart rate, SpO2 oxygen, exercise log. Alright, that's pretty much it on the watch interface, I guess. Let's just quickly download one of the watch interface like real quick. Let's choose one that's like really stand out the most. I can see that there's quite a lot of choice here, and this seems like a lot of things is going on. And I'll just download this. Alright, so it's downloaded straight away. This is 1.3 inch and looks as beautiful as ever on here. I'll probably put the phone aside. Okay, so let's quickly take a look. It's double touch. Alright, so double touch, double tap, I think. Oh yeah, once, just once. Okay, when you put the palm, it will close right away. When you tap it, it will turn on. Alright, so if you swipe down, you get the message. If you swipe from up there, you get all the apps, and all the apps is available here, and the color is like really vibrant. On the left side, if you swipe from the left, you get the notification bar from the left side with the battery indicator and the watch. This is like if you flip it and it will turn awake. and this is auto brightness 1 2 3 4 5 all the way to 5. Okay, so this is the night mode, I would say, and this is the setting. Okay, let's see the alright, before that I'll probably just go back first. If you swipe from below, that's it, and swipe from right, you get the details for your steps, the calorie, and the the exercise hours of the day. And then you got the weather information. So again, the sleeping records, heart rate monitor, and back to the notification bar again. Alright, so that's pretty much it. If you press long press, it's gonna change the watch interface, I believe. Okay, so let's choose, let's choose other interface. There's quite a few of them pre-installed right from the box. I think there's like 4 of them. There's 5 here, 5 of them. Of course, you can download much more on the interface gallery there, as you like. As for now, I think the one that's like striking me the most is probably this really vibrant. Let's go for this for now. And yep, if you press the button on the right side, it's also into this the menu, and on the button on the lower button you get the exercise choices. And for this, you got outdoor run, walk, indoor run, outdoor cycle, aerobic capacity, strength training, football, basketball, table tennis, badminton, or just badminton here. I'll probably play badminton with this watch on, and let's see if the stat is really on point on bar. Indoor cycle, elliptical, yoga even, cricket, rowing machine, and stationary bike. Alright, so that's pretty much it. If you press again, it's gonna go to start right away. Alright, let's just get back to it. Alright, so for now you got the time itself, and also the settings, and I believe this is the exercise record. They are running weather, heart rate, music. I think you cannot download music into here, but you can control pause, next, and a volume here through your phone. Okay, so back again, you got this. What is this? Please wear your watch through the skin and keep your wrist. Oh, there's an SpO2 monitoring the sleep, the timer. This is the timer, and this is the stopwatch. Okay, and also this is the Find My Watch, I think. Yeah, the GPS things. Tap to tag, or this is to control the camera shut button with the watch on. So that's pretty much it. Let's see settings itself. Well, settings, you got the custom red screen on wrist. Screen off, it's about 5 seconds. Why not just make it 10 instead? General settings, display 1 2 3 4 5. Let me see if it's bright. Vibrant intensity. Why not just high power saving mode? Nope. System. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so the software is on the latest now, 1.3.0.39 hardware versions #10. That's pretty much it. A quick overview of the Realme Watch S. I have a pretty, I would say, kind of like a skinny type of wrist. So let's see how many buttons left if I put this thing on. Okay, I can securely have 3 more buttons here to spare. So this is much more secure, I say. Okay, so the rest to wake works as it's supposed to work. Pretty impressive, pretty responsive, and pretty turn on pretty quick. Actually, like this, and we'll turn off again. Yeah. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it for my overview of this watch. I'm gonna do more review on this for next video to come, and I'm gonna compare this with the Watch GT2 or the Magic Watch 2 pretty much the same watch anyway in the next video also. So stay tuned for that one. And for now, this is Shady Tech. Until next video to come, see you soon.